Hey, welcome to Coffee, Coffee, Coffee. Today, I'm going to show you how to make coffee ice cubes. All you need is a ice cube tray. This is a nice little silicone deal. I think we got it on Amazon at some point. I'm not sure, actually, but we'll see if I can find some and link to them in the description. But they're nice and flexible, and a lot of times you can pop the ice cube right out of the bottom of it. And you need some leftover coffee, which this is what we do with ours. If we brew too much in the morning, we pour it into this thing in the fridge, and then we can freeze it for ice cubes or use it for iced coffee later. Or we can cook with it, all kinds of stuff. It's very simple, although maybe a little messy depending on the container that you use. So I have some napkins here in case I make a mess. So all you do is fill the coffee into the cube as you would with water to make your cubes. And get it to the desired level. You can make them as big or as little as you want, or actually not as big because you can't fill it above it. Then it doesn't make the cube in an intact form. And once you've got all of them filled up, or however much coffee you have, which is almost perfect, you plop this deal in the freezer. And once those ice cubes are frozen, you can then use them for your iced coffee. Ah. Refreshing. Thanks for joining me today on this instructional. If you'd like to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe button and we'll send them out.